What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Jira Service Management, and this is the tutorial for absolute beginners. So first you need to head over to the Jira Service Management's website, and then you need to just sign up with your work email. And after signing up here in the new tab, the Jira Service Management will open. So first you need to just create a project compulsorily. So you just need to name the project, and then you need to name the team type. And after that, you just need to choose the channel access like open or restricted. And then you need to click on create project. So this will create your new Jira Service Management project. And after creating the project, you will be redirected to the homepage of Jira Service Management. So from here, you can just simply access the Jira platform basically. And from here, you can create a new work item by just clicking on create new work item. And then you need to choose the project. I need to choose, let's say this one. And then you need to select the work type like IT help, task, or service request. I'll choose task. And after choosing task here, you need to write the summary. And in the component section, you need to choose which you want, like the intranet, the Jira, or the public website. I'll choose Jira. And after that, you can also select the due date. I don't want to enter it, so I'll just keep it empty. And then you can also add the description, and you can also add some code and links and photos and videos to this description. I currently don't have, and I don't even want to add it, so I'll just keep it like this. And then in the label section, you can select or you can create a new label. And when you are done, just simply click on create. And after that, as you can see, the work item has been created. So from here, you can just click on view, and then you can view your work items. This is the work item that I just created. And then when you want to go to the Jira Service Management, you need to click on this icon and then click on Jira Service Management. And after that, when you are into Jira Service Management, here you will see all the projects that you have created. And as you have seen, I have worked on this project just a minute ago, showing you how to create a work item. And now I'll create a new project by just simply clicking on Create Project here on the right side. And after that, I'll choose a General Service Management, and then I'll click on Use Template. After that, I can select a company managed project or I can select a team managed project. I'll select a team managed project, but I'll need a new project. So I'll just choose it test one, and then I'll give it the key test two. Um, the key has been changed, and I'll just keep it in the data analysis section. I'll keep this channel access open, and then I'll create the project. So after clicking on create project, my new project test 2 will be created, or test 1 with the name will be created. So as you can see, the new project has been created. You can just create a new work item, and then when you click on this plus icon, you can add some more calendar. If you want to add calendar to a navigation, and if you want board to a navigation, click on that. And then your board will be added to your navigation. And from here, you can see all the reports and analysis. And when you click on this navigation to the calendar, your calendar will also add it to your board. So this is how you can just simply use the Jira Service Management. That was the complete beginners friendly tutorial. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.